Viewers, we are with the member of Rebel Akali faction and convener of the Akali Sudhar Leher, Gurpratap Wadala. He's just addressed a press conference addressing the issue of the notice issued to former Akali leader and former SGPC President BB Jagir Kaur. So he will tell us more about it and the reforms that he has sought.
Today we had organized a press conference at Jalandhar. This was regarding two very important issues which were concerning Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee and the ex-president, our leader BB Jagir Kaur ji. First of all, there was a meeting of the executive committee of Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee yesterday, and many members had brought up a resolution that was tabled in front of the executive regarding the appointment of Jahdar Sahiban of Akal Takht Sahib and all the other Singh Sahibans of various Takhts. It was regarding their autonomous functioning and their independent working. That means the whole community all over the world, in India, also in Punjab and worldwide, it has been demanding that the Akal Takht Secretariat should be under no one's pressure, or there should be no influence on the working of Akal Takht Sahib, the Jahdar Sahib. Regarding that, the Jahdar should be autonomous, he should have a separate budget, and his working should not be linked with the Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, so that he can take independent decisions. He can work independently without any pulls and pressures. So this has been a demand for a very long time, and likewise other Takht Jahdar Sahibans also, all the other Takhts.
Right. And sir, speaking about BB Jagir Kaur regarding the notice issued to her, you said that it may be applied to stop her before the election. So what do you say about that?
Look, the notice that BB Jagir Kaur ji has gotten from the Secretariat of Akal Takht Sahib, this issue has been settled a long time ago by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, and she was acquitted in that case. It was a personal tragedy for her. No doubt she had to go through a lot of pain and suffering also, but politics should not be brought to such a low level that you go and you start complaining against a lady leader, a religious figure who's put in a lot of effort and who's done a lot of work for the Sikh community, and she's been the president of Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee also. On top of that, people are pointing fingers that the yearly election of SGPC president is going to be held in the coming weeks or maybe in the month of November. So they are linking this complaint with the election of the president of SGPC, because maybe she can be a candidate, and she has...
You would think that she was actively considering being a candidate?
Because she has a lot of popular support amongst the members. No doubt she has a very vast experience, because she is from a religious family and she entered politics through the religious domain.
So you said that leaders from Jalandhar and Akali leaders was also part of the delegation that submitted the complaint. So do you think it is an attempt by the Akali Dal to stop her from contesting those elections?
Yeah, you can see people point fingers, or you can join the dots, or you can always see through their agenda. You can see that why are they doing this now? Because this issue has been settled long time before by the courts of the land, and you are bringing this issue right at that time when other very important issues are before the Singh Sahibans, which they have to decide. So this has an indirect or a direct link with the upcoming election to the SGPC President's office.
And sir, finally you have said that this move may open doors, for other people who face cases against them. What do you say about that? Like
we've been saying before also, the Akal Takht Sahib's secretariat, it should not be involved in petty issues. Every person goes and gives a complaint, whether it was personal or it was during his service in the Punjab government, or whatever issues were there. Akal Takht Sahib has to entertain all the issues that are in regard with the religious affairs of Sikh Panth, the Maryada of the apne Sikh Panth and the ideological what you call standing of the Shromani Akali Dal. So these petty complaints, they can open a Pandora's box and they can open a new chapter which is not healthy for our community also and for the future of the Sikh Panth also. This is very detrimental for the future of Sikh Panth, and this shows the petty thinking that these type of leaders they have, and they try to take benefit out of a person's personal sorrow, personal pain. They want to take some political benefit out of that.